So right now I'm planning to select SBI and stock to trade. So we'll be selecting SBIN and we'll see how the stock will perform today. So we'll be trading.
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel.
So guys, yes, today is 8th of November and the time is almost 9:12 now. So let me go to pre-open market and see how the pre-open market is opening today. So the pre-open market is opening at 18,040 at 0.69% up. Advances stocks of 43, declines are 6 and unchanged is only one stock. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is each motor with 2.37% up and Titan with 1.90% up. Okay, and now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that will be Indus India Bank with 4.97% down and TV Slab with 3.55% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing the live trade what we do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing.
And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blog spot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this.
So right now I'm planning to select SBI and stock to trade. So we'll be selecting SBIN and we'll see how the stock will perform today. So we'll be trading on SBI. Selling SBIN in the market level around 5 to 9. So yes. So there was a quick volatility there, as you guys can see it has come down now 5 to 7. So guys, yes, short sold around 5 to 9 and now it's almost 5 to 6 if you guys can see here. So I took my short sell around 5 to 9 and now the stock is coming down because even the market also suddenly the trend has been changed. In the gap up opening market it was 0.69% up in the pre-open market, but suddenly the market also came down to 0.40% down. So let me just show you that also. So this was how the market had gap up opening here. Okay, so there was a gap up opening here and from here you can see the market actually came down, and with the same even the stock also came down. Okay, so that's why I decided to go short selling there on the SBI and stock, and I took my exit somewhere around there. Okay, so you can see again it's bouncing back up. So it has made a low of 5 to 6.16 here. Okay, so I managed to take my exit somewhere around 5 to 6.50, and again the stock is bouncing up. So anyway, I was able to book the 0.5% of the stock. Okay, so guys, yes, anyways, as I was saying, the stock actually bounced up from there. So anyway, I took my exit around 5 to 6.50, and even you can see the market is also recovering quickly here. Okay, so this is how the stock is performing and this is how the market is performing today. So yes, a kind of a very fluctuation trend today. So yes, so I took my exit and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of SBIN. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.